my gosh. This is so much cooler than I thought it was gonna be.
In case you're new here, I'm Andrew, this is Megan, and we've been traveling since 2016 to places like Costa Rica, the Grand Canyon, the Maldives, and
today we found ourselves on a Swedish luxury houseboat in the middle of Sanford, Florida.
a little bit different. However, it is a really, really cool discovery, and we're going to take you on a little tour.
Not only is this a super unique Airbnb, but this houseboat has circumnavigated the globe twice. Yes, this Swedish houseboat that has circumnavigated the globe twice is sitting right in Sanford, Florida, newly renovated and ready for you to stay. So come spend the weekend with us on the water. Oh my gosh. This is so much cooler than I thought it was gonna be. Welcome aboard. Please watch your step as you're entering in because there's quite the steep drop off happening. This is like a, I don't know, lounge area. I'm not sure if this is the only sitting area, but we have this beautiful like memory foam mattress here, which I'm guessing when this boat circumnavigated the globe, the helmsman could have a nap here overnight. I don't know, just a guess. As you can see, this hatch closes so that if you're having a few drinks up here, you won't fall through the hole. That's intense. Now we have a nice lounge area with like a little, is this the kitchen?
It's part of the galley.
With part of the galley, and I'm gonna let Andrew show you the helm because it's pretty freaking cool.
I think that they've done an amazing job of really keeping the detail. I don't know if this is the original helm or not, but it looks like super original with having this old time like steering wheel, also the throttle. I mean, the detail that they put into this is, like I said, outstanding. So it really gives you the feel that you're in this like old like 1970s like Swedish, houseboat, right? And you're about to like hit the open seas. Let's open this hatch and head downstairs and see what's below deck.
All right, let's see if I can open this now. I think I'm gonna need your help. Oh, I got it! Oh yeah! Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cool and beautiful. Come on. This is literally far exceeding my expectations and probably the coolest Airbnb that we've ever stayed in. So here we have the galley area. So that is not the only kitchen upstairs. It might be the only fridge though.
There's a big fridge behind you.
Oh. Well, would you look at that? So this is really like a full kitchen. We have a fridge, we have a microwave, we have a little toaster oven, we have, most importantly, a French press. Oh my gosh, there's even like breakfast here. We have induction stovetop. This is the master cabin, but let's actually head over here because I think this is like, I don't know what it's called, but another lounge area / dining room. Let's peek in here. Okay, do we have lights in here? We have a gorgeous skylight. I mean, check this out. And there's the light switch. We have a dining room table where we will eat all of our home cooked meals while we're staying in this houseboat. And we have yet another comfy memory foam sitting area / bed. The listing says it sleeps 4 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in the bedroom. We definitely have to take a peek in here.
Yeah, what's going on in here?
Like, we have an anchor, we have some rope, we have a battery, skeleton. Looks like one of those I Spy books.
Spot the camera guy.
Hey, wow. How about you take a break from being the camera guy, and while we're in here, tell everyone why we're in Sanford.
We're going to relocate to this map over here of Sanford. What brought us here? We're actually taking sailing lessons. If you saw in our last video, we talked a little bit about. So we are actually taking sailing lessons with U-Sail on Lake Monroe. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the boat. Sound good?
To the head. That's the bathroom, if you were wondering. Our unique Swedish houseboat has one head, and we found this houseboat on Instagram where they shared some of their before and after pictures, and the bathroom might be the best renovation in the entire houseboat. I'm not surprised, but they have seriously kept all of these incredible details throughout the bathroom as well. It's modern, but it also has this amazing vintage feel. So we have our sink, we have our marine toilet. Ta-da! And we have a shower. Pretty standard shower. The listing said you got hot water for about 10 minutes. And I'm 5'5", so I would say a 6-foot person is gonna have to like scrunch down a little bit. There's a nice stool though, so you can kind of sit as you do your shower stuff. To the bedroom. It's time for the bed test because this is the captain's suite. All right. Okay. It's not memory foam. It's nice and firm, but I think it's going to be quite comfy actually. They've done, of course, yet again, a wonderful job on the renovation of this room. I'll pop up on the screen what the room looked like before. It's pretty wild, all of the work that they've done. I personally would never choose to paint a room completely black, but for some reason it really works in here, and I feel like it's gonna get nice and dark at night, and that should provide a good night's sleep. But we will check back in the morning to tell you how our first night's sleep on the houseboat went. With that, we actually still have one more place on this boat to show you, so let's head over there. We have to head back upstairs to show you this part. And we're now on the bow, where yet again, gorgeous details and a beautiful spot to lounge around is.
Gonna wait till tomorrow morning and the sunrise is coming up over the trees here. It's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. The tour is not done yet because we are going to let you know how we slept overnight in the houseboat, as it is a very, very windy day, so hopefully neither one of us roll out of bed.
Well, that is just not what you want to happen in the morning. Let's go for take 2. Ahoy, mateys!
How long have you been wanting to say that?
Since we stepped on the boat.
Yes. So last night was actually a really good night's sleep. I was very surprised by it in a good way. So obviously we felt the boat rocking a little bit back and forth in the water, due to like 25-mile-per-hour gust. However, that only happened a couple times. Didn't roll out of bed. So I had a really good night's sleep. What about you?
I had a great night's sleep. There were a couple of little noises, but not annoying noises, just
new noises.
New noises.
We obviously highly recommend, if you're in the area, if you're staying in Central Florida, to stay at this Airbnb, check out this unique experience, and see what you think about it for yourselves.
All right, we'll catch you next adventure.
All right. What happened?
I jammed my toe into the concrete wall. By the way, this entire boat is made of concrete. I woke up to some like... I could totally do life on the water.